Festival at sa sala representing Storm of Song!
Good evening, everyone. My name is Erwin A. Calasora, representing Dance with Dragon.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Fanny Nasibli, representing the Clash of Kings.
Representing Dance with Dragon.
Italia Fabiania, representing Clash of Kings.
Rahman Soul Puno, representing Fire and Blood.
Let's go, Tino. Proud to represent Dance with Dragon.
Raymond A. Guillermo representing Storm of Storms!
Elia Maynigala, representing Clash of Kings.
Mark Kennedy G. Ibrahim, representing Storm of Swords.
Good evening, sweeties. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Marching Viramas, I am proud to represent Fire and Blood.
Jeremiah Opahan representing Fire and Blood!
Johnson Arnold, representing Storm of Song.
My name is Dave Sarmiento Navales, representing the Storm of Storms!
Your host for tonight, events and pageant host, one of the multi-awarded hosts in Iligan City, the man and the voice, Mr. Roland Escalante.
Too much to tell. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's move on to candidate number 7. Margie Ramirez. Hello, Margie. Microphone, please. How are you?
I'm fine and I feel happy right now for this glorious event.
All right. Is this your first time to join in a pageant, Margie?
To be honest, this is my second time joining this pageant. Way back when I was in senior high school.
So, matagal yun yung mga kwapa din sa SMIT, no? Kaya nag-join naman ng mga beauty pageant. Alright, so good luck to you, Shirley, right now. So I think you're ready? So you have a big question number 10. Here's your question. If you will win tonight, how will you use your title to become the voice of your fellow students? Again, if you will win tonight, how will you use your title to become the voice of your fellow students?
If I will win tonight, I will use my title and voice to encourage and motivate everyone. That even we are facing different kind of hardship and challenges in life, we need to believe in ourselves. Because I believe that nothing is impossible, and we need to take another step for a brighter future. That's all. Thank you.
Now we have candidate number 8. That's all. Welcome to their number 7. Licensed professional teacher. Her motto is just one small plastic thought in the morning can change your whole day. Male candidate number 7 is Jeremiah Bahayan. Jeremiah is 22 years old. His ambition is to become a doctorate in education and become a leading expert in education, leadership, research, and policy development. His motto is, your future starts today, not tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, here number 7, Jeremiah and Marty. And the winner is male candidate number 3. Alright, thank you very much. And congratulations, candidate. Enjoy your award. Now, next is Mr. and Ms. Pakulba Flower Shop Choice Award.
Mr. and Ms. Pakulba Flower Shop Choice Award will be awarded by Mr. Elton Campos and Ms. Dorothy Caballero.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Mr. Pakulba Flower Shop Choice Award goes to candidate, male candidate number 1, and female candidate number 5. Choice Award.
Mr. and Miss Smith Free Hair and Scalp Treatment Choice Award and Miss Free Brazilian Treatment will be awarded by Miss Melissa Tickman and Miss Charmaine Raterla.
Okay, the Mr. Smith Free Hair and Scalp Treatment Award goes to male candidate number 4. And the Miss Free Brazilian Treatment Choice Award goes to female candidate number 5. Ang dami award natin, ha? And then, ladies and gentlemen, we have lots of awards, special awards, and one of which is the Mr. and Miss DOD Choice Award.
Mr. and Miss DOD Choice Award will be awarded by Mr. Vicente B. Luisima Jr., college instructor, and Marites M. Canas Aquino.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Mr. DOD Choice Award, male candidate number 1. And the Miss DOD Choice Award goes to female candidate number 2. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our winners for this award. Alright, so next is Caroline Mendoza's Choice Award.
Caroline Mendoza's Choice Award will be awarded by Miss Star Gail Sue, Miss Shona, and Miss Caroline Mendoza herself.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the Caroline Mendoza Choice Award will be receiving 1 semester payment worth 12,000 pesos effectively next semester. Woo! And that lucky candidate is, and think that this is his prayer answered. Male candidate number 4. Congratulations, candidate number 4. Wala man po kami lang na gamay, no? Thank you very much, sponsor. And I would like to also inform that the winners of the Mr. and Miss DOD Choice Award will be receiving 2,000 pesos as each. the categorical award. You know what I mean? Okay. So first, ladies and gentlemen, is the Mr. and Miss Best in Talent. So have you watched the talent competition? Itanaw mo? Itanaw mo? So who do you think is the winner? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Miss Best in Talent.
Mr. and Miss Best in Talent will be awarded by Marites and Nagas Aquino, GMRC instructor, TED teacher, and Mr. Cesar Ayan Mundala, grade 12 advisor.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best in Talent male category is male candidate number 7 and female candidate number 8. Alright, next, ladies and gentlemen, this is another special award, and that is the Mr. and Miss Popular.
Mr. and Miss School Popular to be awarded by our very own Filipino instructor, Miss Kara Glay B. De La Rosa, and our school IT Mr. Jean Paul Shalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Miss Popular. Male category is male candidate number 1. And female candidate number 7. Congratulations to our winners. Let's move on to the next award, the Mr. and Miss Photogenic.
Mr. and Miss Photogenic Awards will be awarded by Miss Shirley Baptist and Miss Rachel Villa.
Alright, so who do you think is our Mr. and Miss Photogenic? Let us all find out as they are going to reveal the winner. Let us have first the male category. Mr. Photogenic is male candidate number 1. And female candidate number 6. Congratulations! Kung nakatay photogenic, apoy telegenic. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mr. and Miss Telegenic.
Mr. and Miss Telegenic will be awarded by Miss Leia May S. Igay and Mr. Joseph Palacio.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Telegenic goes to male candidate. Male candidate, please show the picture. Male candidate number 6. And for the female category, female candidate number 8. Ladies and gentlemen, our official photographer, let us acknowledge Mr. Ace Visual. Thank you very much. Let's go back to the categorical award. It's time, ladies and gentlemen, best in production number.
Our best in production number will be awarded by Mrs. Relly B. Unio, our very own school president, and Mr. Ernesto A. Uyal, our official school chairman.
Ladies and gentlemen, the best in production number, Sino! Come on, people, make some noise! We have male candidate number 1 and female candidate number 2. Congratulations to the winners and thank you very much to the presenters. Let's move on to the next award, the best in school uniform.
Our best in school uniform will be awarded by our Board of Directors, Engineer Mirna Ong, and our Board of Directors, Attorney Randy Ong.
Ladies and gentlemen, best in school uniform goes to male candidate number 1. And the female candidate is candidate number
2024 representing Barangay del Carmen. And for the female category, we have Best in Evening Gown to be awarded by Ms. Max Osabella Rollion, the owner of Viva Vestida Studio and the official wardrobe provider.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, best in formal attire, of course, for the male category is male candidate number 6. And for the best in evening gown goes to candidate number 2. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the winners for our categorical awards. Let's give them another round of applause. Now, top 5! Woo! Are you ready? Are you ready, SMIT? But before I am going to announce, ladies and gentlemen, let us give thanks to all and give a round of applause to all the candidates because all of them deserve to win, right? Okay, so palakpakan everybody. And also, let's give a round of applause for their supporting parents. Let's give a round of applause. Palakpakan. But in every competition, we are going to choose the cream of the crop. So, good luck, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to announce first the males. Alright, ready? Are you ready? The top 5. You belong to the top 5. Male candidate number 1.
And now, are you ready? SMIT for the ladies. Female category top 5. You are so lucky tonight. Candidate number 7. The next one is yours. Candidate number. Candidate number 5. 3 spots left, ladies and gentlemen, and 1 belongs to candidate number. Candidate number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 spots left. And we have 5 ladies. You belong to the top 5. Female candidate number 4. Only 1 spot left. Ladies and gentlemen, the lucky lady is candidate number. Come on, SMIT, make some noise. Number 8. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5 for the female category. I will give you a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Is my reward. And how do we determine? It is through the final Q&A. Ladies and gentlemen, our finalist is going to pick a number or a name inside the ball corresponding to the board of judges where the question will come from. Alright, so let us start first with female category. Okay, are you ready? Okay, thank you, my partner. Okay, let's move on a little bit closer. So the board of judges can see and hear now. Alright, so ladies, are you ready? Inhale, exhale. Okay, let's move on with the first candidate that I have called to candidate number 7. Hello, candidate number 7. Congratulations for making it to the top 5. How do you feel? Huwag ka nang kabahan. Ito na, this is it. Okay, I believe you're now ready. Okay, please.
Balas Margie.
We have chosen judge. Number 7, Mr. Ronald Costanilla. Hello.
Paano siya ba?
Good evening. So,
biggest challenge facing your generation and how can it be addressed? Again, what do you believe is the biggest challenge facing your generation and how can it be addressed?
I believe that the biggest problem or issue that the youth right now facing is the bad positivity. I believe that all of us, we have our unique way to show our belief. But some of them forgot to love ourselves. I want all of you to know that loving ourselves is the greatest revolution. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 7, and thank you very much, Josh. Let's move on with candidate number 5. Hello, candidate number 5. Congratulations for making to the top 5. How do you feel? Yes. Alright, so this is it. Make it or break it. So you have Josh. Number 9, Mami Jopeta. Karon Mami, ikaw na yung mamutana.
May nabigyan. So, pagpapala na doon. As educator dahil how can you prevent global warming? Again, as educator, how can you prevent global warming?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a future educator, to prevent global warming, the solution is planting trees. This is the most important. As a future teacher, we must encourage our students to love our environment, to plant trees for us to avoid global warming, especially in the future. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much, candidate number 5. Thank you very much, Mami Jopeta. Next is candidate number 2. Hello, candidate number 2. Again, congratulations for making to the top 5. Kung sa kayo mong debate na you belong to the top 5.
Well, I'm so happy and overwhelmed.
Alright, congratulations. Alright, so please, your question will come from Okay, so judge number 8, Ms. Lisa Marie Gomez Juan.
Hi. Hello. I just want to say how very beautiful smile. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. May I ask how old are you? 22. Okay. Hi, Adam. 22. Okay. Now, are you ready to answer your question? Yes. Your question will be easy and I want you to listen to it carefully, okay? Now, if you would be given the chance to go back in time where you were just 12 years old, what message would you give to your younger self? Would you want to repeat the question? Okay. If you would be given the chance to go back in time where you were just 12 years old, what message would you give to your younger self? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if I would go back to the young, which is age 12 years old, I want to say myself, I am so proud of you. Because you made your life, be grateful you made your life beautiful. Now I can see yourself that I am here today and I am so proud because I don't even expect that I can be on the top 5 and all I can say to my 12 years old is I am so proud and be humble and always be happy. Thank you.
with candidate number 4. Hello, congratulations. So how do you feel?
Honestly, I feel very happy and tired.
So do you expect that you can reach to this top 5? Wow, but the judges saw the beauty in you. Alright, so please, your judge is Mr. Philip Edgar Survivor. Good evening, Miss. How are you? Okay, so here is my question. What is the most important lesson you learn in life? And how will you use it to inspire others? Again, what is the most important lesson you learn in life? And how will you use it to inspire others?
I believe that the most important lesson that I have learned is to try. I am here standing today because I tried. I didn't let my negative thoughts win me. So I think it can inspire others. I will aspire others to try themselves. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much. Candidate number 4. Let's move on to candidate number 8. Hello, congratulations. So what was in your thoughts when only one spot left?
But I'm so happy and grateful because all I know is my fellow candidates decided to
Yes. But lucky you. Congratulations. Alright. So please. You have the question coming from judge number 6, Ms. Rain Dilcares Nave.
Hello again. Hi! Candidate number 8. Ang akong pangutanan, guwapo ba si Mami Chupita? Joke lang. Super daw, super. Okay, pawalan na ako yung mga iba. Nag-Bisaya ka ko, no? So, pwede ko ka Bisaya. Okay, but your question is in English. Other than yourself, who should win this pageant? So aside sa itong pagdating din sa may angayan mo ako.
Thank you for that wonderful questions. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges. Kung nakamayain, mamalooban ng pageant, kung hindi ako pagkakas. She is the reason why. She is the reason why I take a risk. She is the only reason why I stand up here confident, even though I have many struggles of speech. I am fighting for my life because of her. I know she's the reason of my life. But Mama, ikaw ang kinabuhi. Una ang ibating yung karoon sa deserve pa.
final Q&A for the female category. So how about giving a round of applause for our finalists for the Now the judges have spoken and they identify who will be the Mr. and Miss SMIT 2024. Before I announce, let us welcome back once again on stage our 5 finalists for the male and female categories. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is what our school chairman has said about a while ago that they are helping the students. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, the winners, the first runner-up, second, third, and fourth runner-up will be availing a 50% less or discount in tuition fee. Palakpakan! And of course, the winners for Mr. and Miss SMIT 2024 will have full tuition fee free for 1 year. And of course, the non-winners will also be having this 25% free tuition fee. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, the winners, the Mr. and Miss SMIT 2020 automatically earn FM radio ambassadorship with radio interview, cash, and certificate. Will get the chance to work as radio DJ or radio host after an immersion. So you will have a broadcasting training. That's a great opportunity. The winners will also receive beauty and health services by Skin and Body Care Center. Also, the winners will receive free Brazilian treatment by Jen Hair and Nail Salon. Lastly, the winners, the Mr. and Miss Santa Monica Institute of Technology, will receive an unlimited trip to the Pitan by Army Huda. Wow. With the MC. Alright, mga people, make some noise! Here is the result, ladies and gentlemen. Right, let us start with the 4th runner-up.
4th runner-up to be awarded by Miss Emma Umadloy, Miss Riza L. Ingamor, Mr. Jesse Francisco Daniel, and Miss Jennifer Noel.
Ladies and gentlemen, 4th runner-up for the male category is male candidate number 5. For the female category, 4th runner-up is
Henry Zella, Joanna Marie Hueva, and Mr. Ronald Ostanilla.
Ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up for the male category is candidate number 7. For the female category, second runner-up is candidate number 7. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 2 remaining candidates in his category. So I think I have to announce the male category first. I would like to request 2 remaining candidates for the male category to please move forward. Ladies and gentlemen, who do you think? It's our Mr. SMIT 2024.
Mr. and Miss SMIT 2024. Both runner-up will be awarded by Mr. Paul John L. Villamor, Miss Rita L. Villamor, Miss Rachel Paris Tabe, Maki Chupeta, and the Mr. SMIT 2024 will be awarded by Mr. Ernesto A. Guyao, Mrs. Remy B. Guyao, our very own Miss Caroline Vignosa, and Miss Lisa Marquez Juan.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to announce the Mr. SMIT 2024. The remaining candidate will be the first runner-up. Are you ready? SMIT, are you ready? Mr. SMIT 2024 is candidate number
going to know